Flight boss, bitch. You know, for sure. You're not listening to the Mind of an Antares Moon. I'm the Archangel Uriel, and I'm here to carry out God's duties and motherfucking responsibilities. And before I go make a few moves real quick, because I'm going to come back and go live and shit, you know what I'm saying? I just wanted to make this little quick video real quick about how to do the acceptance head nod ritual. The acceptance head nod ritual. Now, what is the acceptance head nod? You could call it the agreeable head nod, whatever. You know, when you are agreeing to something, you know what I'm saying, like that. Now here's the thing, right? This ritual works at times that you're in disagreeable moments, because here's the thing, not only do you have mind that come out into actual communication language, but you have a body language also, and a lot of times these come purely from your subconscious. So a lot of times your body nature and your body language and the way your nerves run, that actually interacts with the environment first as far as a vibration. That interact with the vibrations first, that you get hit with your mentalities, your sons of God. Then your daughters of men start to react to the influences, and now you start to respond with your masculine energies, the energies that you give off, whether it's negative or positively in some way, shape, or form, whether you put out an energy that you want to steal away or give off an energy that you're in defense mode. But here's what you need to understand. When you're going through those circumstances and situations that's disagreeable and kind of make you, you know what I'm saying, do things like that, even mentally, you know what I'm saying, make you start to disagree mentally and things of that nature, here's where the agreeable head nod ritual actually can work into your favor. Because anytime you put your body in the frequency vibration of agreeable energy, even when you're going through circumstances where your body by default automatically reacts and responds in a negative way because you're going through negative vibrations at the moment that's not in your favor, right? This shows the universe this shows the universe and God, aka, and then your spirit also. It shows the kind of power and the magnitude that you got to create the illusion in front of you, aka you're psyching up the universe. So you're making the universe, aka the force field around you, you're filling it with atoms and eves, aka your substances, your energies, right? Your conscious awarenesses, your mans and womans, your masculine and feminine energies, thoughts and feelings. You're psyching it up because for the most part you're responding in one way, but the way that you're receiving one energy that's not in your favor, but the way you're reacting and responding to that energy is psyching the universe up with different vibrations. You're giving it vibrations as if you was in a different frequency, but you're receiving energies that's not in your favor. So now you're psyching the universe up. So you building even more substance that you don't even really know about. This is some esoteric shit. If you spiritual, you know how to see what you're doing. Like, you know how to see the bodies, the little creatures, the little star forms you're creating in the esoteric realm that you could take it as ghosts or mermaids, you know what I'm saying, and go search around and see what's going on and come back down here and shit like that, you know what I'm saying? A lot of my daydreamers already know what I'm talking about, but a lot of times y'all get lost in daydreaming because it be chaotic daydreaming, aka you be all over the place because you don't know that's what you're actually technically doing. But once you know that's what you're doing now, a motherfucker who know how to daydream could be a bad motherfucker for real, if they really know how to do this shit, you know what I'm saying? And it's not, you're just not leaving it in the figment of your imagination. You actually know that you're creating substances and spiritual natures and things of that nature. But like I said, right, once you're in a circumstance where you're in a vibration that goes against you and you already feel your body starting to respond with the body language that match that frequency vibration, that's when you do this, you know what I'm saying? Or even mentally try to put yourself in a more agreeable energy with or a taking responsible energy for what you're experiencing right now, or like anything. You're going to experience low vibration, but that's what I'm saying. This is when you become a witch or a wizard. This is when you're actually doing magic. You know what I'm saying? People don't know what magic all about because they're materialists. You need to know this is that you create possibilities once it becomes to the material aspect of it, and via person, place, or thing, circumstance, or situation. But you actually create the portal to go through for that to actually be possible in these states that I'm talking about right now. You know what I'm saying? So even when you're in a state that's negative, even try your best to even make your body language react and respond as if you was in a vibration that goes towards your frequency, or you in agreeable energy or nature or something like that, right? And that's when you psych the universe up. You kind of create a spell, and whatever intent that you got behind that vibration, or that you're trying to, because it's an uphill battle. People think you can just click on and click off. No, the point of going to war within yourself, and the better you know how to win a battle, that's the substance. People think, oh, you can just click on and off your feelings. No, the stronger you are to not let the waters outweigh you, that little battle that you do to struggle, that's building spiritual strength. Esoterically, you're pushing off some type of skunk energy, and that's the substance you need. See what I'm saying? So don't be scared of reject or trial or tribulation even within yourself from a minor perspective when you're dealing with the external world. You know what I'm saying? So when you're going through yourself and you're going through that circumstance, it might be, you might be going through a situation, dealing with a person, place, or thing, or circumstance or situation that make it hard for you to be like, you might automatically do this first and be like, oh, you know what I'm saying? Like, but the more you're fighting inside, like, ah, man, what's that feeling? Fuck that. You know what I'm saying? The more that you in a circumstance, in a situation where you're able to, where you're building the right substance. So keep that in mind also. And a quicker you'll get better. It comes better with practice, and the better you know how to. You'll be able to do it in no time to the point that you will be able to snap next time you go through that circumstance or situation. So keep that in mind. Flight boss, bitch, you know, for sure. We're gonna come back live tonight, y'all. We're gonna go deep.